I feel very glamorous, y'all. I feel very, oops, like glam. So this is what it looks like. It blends seamlessly. Like I could put it in a ponytail. Like, you guys, look at this. Look at this. Come on. Y'all, it looks so good. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've been on here, so I just wanted to say hey. During our quarantine time, I decided to get a little creative with my hair, and so what I did was I bought some clip-ins. I wanted to get something where my hair could easily be like in a quick style, but I've been kind of overdoing it on the other protective style, so I wanted something a little bit more like sleek without having to buy a wig or make one, and clip-ins was the best solution for me. So in this video, I'm going to just quickly show you how I install my clip-ins, because I'm about to go help my mom. Her birthday is in a couple days, and we're going to go have a birthday photo shoot for her. So I wanted to get a little glammed up just in case I decide to pop in some of the photos with her. So if you want to see how I install my clip-ins, then stay tuned. So the clip-ins that I have are from Amazing Beauty Hair. Amazing Beauty Hair Extensions, yeah. I got the 14-inch in the light Yaki. Don't judge me, guys. I ended up washing them, but these are the extensions. They're 14 inches. I have them on a hanger because I wanted them to air dry. Light Yaki texture. And it's supposed to mimic freshly relaxed hair. So it's pretty easy to clip these in. I don't know what I was doing not getting these earlier. I had made U-part wigs before, but here in Tennessee, it gets blazing hot, and sometimes having a wig on your head is just too much. So these are like the quickest alternative. Plus, I like to be able to access my scalp, so I can take these out every night instead of having to sew down a U-part wig or take one off every single night. I can just pop these out like in no time and then pop them back in no time as well. So here we go. All right, you guys, so my hair is freshly washed. I'm gonna try to do this with this mic. Hopefully you guys can still see me, but this is my hair, freshly washed, blow dried, straightened. Okay, now a few months ago, around November, I got a bob cut, and my hair is just growing back out. So these are a really good way for me to like add not only length, but also density. What's that called? Thickness. I was like, what is that called? So I'm gonna take the 2 clip weft. Here's the clips, there's just 2 right here. This is the texture, and I'm just going to part my hair in the back just with my hands. Hopefully I can do this without a mirror too. Just a rough part, nothing too fancy, nothing too crazy. Clip up my hair with one of these and attach the clip in. Now, I don't know how well you're going to be able to see this, so y'all please forgive me. This is just, I'm going to try to do it without a mirror. I've never done it without a mirror before, but you're just gonna clip it in. Boop, just like that. So that's one. Hopefully you guys could see that. I'm sorry if you couldn't, but that's one. And then gonna move on to the next one. So I'm gonna, let's see, y'all. Can you see this? Let me turn around. Hopefully you can still hear me too. I don't really do videos like this in my living room. I normally do them in my bathroom, but I wanted to give you guys a different scene. So I'm gonna just part my hair with my hand. Super rough part. It does not have to be perfect. Put the rest of my hair up. Let's see, I have a mirror right here too. Let's see here. Yep, works for me. Hold on. Let me feel around. Okay, I'm gonna get another. Let me see. Let me try to do the 3. Let me do the 3 one. So you get 3 2 clips. You get a total of 7 clip-ins, right? You get 3 that have 2 clips, 2 that have 3 clips, one that has 4 clips, and then one that has 1 clip. Let me see if I can fit a 3. Yeah, I can fit a 3 one back here. So here's a 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's stick it back here. So here's my hair, very roughly parted, and I do mean very roughly. And I pretty much just stack them right on top of each other. They attach super easily. No issues, no problems. Boom. Okay, so that's 2 clips in already. And you can see it's kind of adding the length already. Let's shoot for the 4 clip. So this is the biggest one. It has the 4 clips, 1, 2, 3, 4. And so I normally like to try to do this one from ear to ear because I have a little peanut head for real. Like, I mean, I really do. And so the 4 one is pretty big. The one with the 4 clips is pretty big. And I don't have a lot of room in my head because like these take up, like they really do fill up my entire, oops, hold on. They really do fill up like my entire hair. So here's my rough part in the back. Once again, just really rough. And we're just gonna attach, unclip. These are really secure too, you guys. Like, I don't worry about them coming out. We're just gonna clip in the 4 clip one. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now let's see where this one ended. This one ended kind of close, like right by my ear, but it should be okay. So here's the 4 clips, and it's blending in perfectly with my hair. Let's do a 3 clipper. Just move our way right on up. And like y'all, I haven't had no problems, no issues with being able to blend them whatsoever. I was able to blend them. I had a fresh relaxer, and I do mean like fresh, like girlfriend hooked me up. Like I didn't have not nan kink, not nan coil, not nan nothing in my hair. Like she hooked me up with my relaxer, and these blended beautifully without any trouble like concealing them. So let's do a 3 clip. Here's the, once again, very rough part in the back. And y'all, let me see if I can fit a 3. Yep, I just stack them on up right on top of each other. There's that. And then I just dropped my last 2. Hold on. Okay. These are the last 2 that have the 2, and then I have one that has 1. Hold on, let me just comb my hair out a little bit. You gotta be careful combing it out because you don't want to snag your own hair. You don't want it to get caught up in there. And if it does, just unclip wherever it's stuck and then clip it back. Okay, so here's the 2 left. Let's do one right here. You don't want to put it, let me get a little bit closer. You don't want to put the one that you put toward the front of your hair too close to your hairline because you don't want it to like stick out if the wind blows. So what I do is I just angle it like you would, like if you were wearing a wig, how they angle your wefts that way. Hold on, I don't want this to, put a little bit more hair up right here. Okay. Hold on. That way if the wind blows, you can't even see it. You know what I mean? Like, you can't even see that. So there's one. And then the last one. And like, I don't put them too close to the top of my head just because I want that to lay really flat, and I want it to look either like it's really my hair or like a really good sew-in. So here's the last one. And I just angle it like that. Not too close to my hairline. Just pop it in there. And then pop this one in there. Unclip that. And hold on, let me unclip this in the back. I can tell some of my hair got stuck in there. And we don't want to pull your hair out. There we go. So the only clip I have left is this little baby one. It just has one weft. Not one weft, sorry, one clip. Oh, it's tangled up in the hanger, y'all. Hold on. Okay. Just this little tiny piece. And I could find somewhere to put it. Let's see if I can stick it. Nah, I don't want to stick it anywhere. Nah, I'm not gonna stick it. All right, so let's just smooth our hair out. I wanted a center part. I feel very glamorous, y'all. I feel very, oops, like glam. So this is what it looks like. I don't know how well you can see. Let me stand up for you guys. It blends seamlessly. Like, I could put it in a ponytail. Hold on. I could put it in a ponytail easily. You'd never know. Okay. You can't see. Let me double check before I lie to you guys. I have my mirror right here. No, you can't see any of the wefts. Like, you guys, look at this. Look at this. Come on. I mean, it's like seamless. So it just adds a little bit of length. And it blends so beautifully. Like, I'm extremely pleased. Now, I got these off of, I don't remember the website that I got them off of, but I'll leave them below. I paid about, I think maybe $60 or $70 for these, which I think is a really good deal. They did come from China. I ordered them, I think on like a Thursday, and I got them on a Tuesday or maybe a Monday. No, it was on a Tuesday. So they came in like no time. Now, I didn't have any issues with them coming through customs or anything like that. DHL delivered them like without any problems, without any issues. Like, it was nothing. But I really like this, and I really like how quickly I can install them. Like, y'all, look. I can put my hair behind my ears. Oh my God, I think it is so beautiful. Like, look at this. Let me see. I'm always fighting with this chair. Y'all, it looks so good. It looks so good. Now, I've already washed them. I've worn them before. I washed them. They wash very well. They do not curl when they wash at all. And I really didn't have to like straighten them again once they were air dried, but I just straightened them just because I wanted them to really, really match my hair texture. But they came out like, I'd say 90% like bone straight with like a little bit of like that crinkly texture at the top, but like they came out so good. This looks so good, y'all. This looks so good. All right, you guys, well, if you're interested in getting this hair, these clip-ins, I will leave the links for where I got them from below. But I thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.